Whoa!
Is that close?
It was impressive. Look at that sky, man. Dang.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, we got better than halfway now, boy.
look at that.
Go get him, Steve. Whoa, going into this boat. Excellent. Whoa, big one right behind your head.
You get it?
I hope so. We'll see when we play it back. Almost.
Hopefully it'll be explosive like that.
What's that? The sky is so beautiful. Good job. That was first.
I'm missing them all.
Well,
before I die,
let's hope so. We kind of want to miss them right now. Wait till we get on land. Dream driven. Excellent. I like this one. Yeah.
Oh, the current's going out, that's why.
Yeah. Almost there. I like the title of this one. Gnarly. Almost 30 yards. Up. I think I felt raindrops.
Oh yeah, this no. See this rain right there.
All right.
See it right over there?
Yeah.
That's rain. Well.
Whoa!
I saw
Did
that
you
one.
see that?
Whoa.
Whoa! That was close. Yeah, man. Yeah, well, let's hope it stays at a bay, so to speak. Hey! There we go. And we're back.
Oh, I like
Good job.
those. Okay, let's unload.
Alrighty then.